Hi everyone, today we discuss how to use Metalink Oracle. What is Metalink? Metalink My Oracle Support is a service provided by Oracle to customers who want any sort of technical assistance. If you don't have Metalink account, there is no way to download patch, can log a SR or reach to related technical documents. Checking My Oracle Support. Oracle Life Sciences application supported technology stats. Any changes to the instruction in this guide or documents is the most current version of the Oracle Clinical 4.6. Now first we create an account. You must have Oracle Support account before you can access Oracle Support. Follows this instruction, open a web browser and type the URL http://metalink.oracle.com. Click the new users register here link. The registration page opens. Follow the instructions on the registration page. Navigating to the Oracle Clinical 4.6 knowledge page, follow the instruction to the open Oracle Sports Oracle Clinical. Open a web browser, select My Oracle Sport, requires flash and login. The My Oracle Sport portal opens, displaying general news for several categories. Click to Knowledge tab. In the browser, any product by name drop down list, set Oracle Clinical and click the icon. In the defined search region on the right, click on the topic of interest. For example, install upgrade. My Oracle Sport display a list of documents that satisfy the search criteria. Click a document links to view it. Now finding the latest Oracle Clinical 4.6 patch. Check open a browser, select My Oracle Sport, flash required, click the patches and update tabs, click the advanced search link and go. When the query results are displayed, click a patch number to download it. Finding documents, finding patches and documents, Oracle GPU security updates. Thank you for watching with us. Take care.